Here's how to turn on and use eye tracking on iPhone. Go to your iPhone settings and first of all make sure to update iOS 18 or newer version. So here, as you can see, I've already installed iOS 18. And now to turn on eye tracking, from your iPhone settings, tap on accessibility and here scroll down and you have to tap on eye tracking. And now enable eye tracking option. And now you have to follow the dot with your eyes as it moves around the display. So all you have to need, complete this process. Once you successfully turn on eye tracking, now you can easily control your iPhone with your eye. So here, as you can see, I'm controlling my iPhone with my eyes. So that's how you can do it. Thanks for watching.